I've got absolutely loads to do. Firstly, Kyle is meant to be here, but I thought I'd send him to a small little bathroom, and turns out that little bathroom is a 45-minute drive away. And I've got to get all this laid. So we've got half a hallway, 3 bedrooms, and the stairs left. It's gonna be a big day. I think it's probably best to get straight into this and just start gluing, start fitting. Right, now 3 rooms are done, landing's done. Kyle's just going to be doing this room, and I'm going to be focusing on the stairs. This is how I like to try and do my steps. Always go off the nose in. Normally, to be fair, 1 full plank is a whole step, if that makes sense. These are obviously smaller steps, smaller planks. Therefore, we've got 2 rows and a little bit at the back. So as long as the ply is back far enough, it's not going to dip, sag or anything like that. And then I always do the treads first and then the risers after. And then once the treads are done and the risers, we then do the nose-ins. That is a job all wrapped up, and we are ready to now do another job. Well, actually, I'm having a weekend off. But Monday, Tuesday, we're doing a log cabin, so make sure you're following, subscribing, and it's going to be a good video. So day 1, we're going to be doing screening, day 2, fitting, all in Harvey Maria as well. So yeah, follow, subscribe, have a good weekend. Peace.